All right, without a whole bunch of dissertation and everything, this is what we got going on with rattle trapping or dynamating or whatever you want to call it. Everything in the car, the trunks, behind the boards here, all the inside the fender wells are done. Ran the 0-aught, I guess, up through the front there, through the firewall. Actually, not through the firewall, down through the door panel. Fished it down through there. It came out really good. Inside the, this all isn't put back together yet, but anyways, inside the doors are all dynamated. They're all nice and no rattle at all. I see to do that one yet, but yeah, you can hear the difference there. Big difference. Also on the front speakers, or actually the rear and front speakers, what we did was you have to use you don't have to, but you can use your stock factory. Sorry, maybe make everybody dizzy. Look at this. Wow, cool, huh? Anyways, use your stock factory speakers and you take them and you cut them out, and then just use a grinder or whatever, take off the edge so it gets down to the foam right there. So you'll be basically about the same place you would be stock once you mount your new fuzz gates or whatever you're putting in there. But you don't actually have to buy a new set of aftermarket mounts. You can just use these things. They work fine. Just screw them in there into the door or whatever. And then other than that, be back with some more in a little while. Thanks.